everyone, welcome to today's video tutorial on how to find your Google Classroom join code. Whether you're a student or a teacher, joining the right class is crucial, and I'll show you the steps to locate your join code quickly and easily. If you are the one creating the class, follow these steps to find your Google Classroom join code. First, open your web browser and go to classroom.google.com. Once you are in Google Classroom, select the class style you want to find the join code for. In the middle left corner, you'll see the class code. This is the join code the students will use to join your class. For example, if you are projecting your join code in front of your class right now, you can go ahead and click on your display icon, and your students will be able to type this into their Google Classroom field box. If there are students in the back of your room that cannot see the join code, you can increase and make it into a full screen so that they can see it. To get out of it, go ahead and click on the exit full screen icon and the close button. Now, if you're looking to find your join code or your class code so you can copy and paste it into the Google form shared with you by your administration, you can click on the ice cream scoops or the vertical ellipses and go down and select copy class code. You'll see the notification class code copied, and then simply go to the Google form, right click and paste, or use your keyboard shortcut Control plus V, V as in violet. And that's how you find your Google Classroom join code, whether you're a teacher or a student. Remember, teachers can find it when they create a class, and students can join a class by entering the code provided by their teacher. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your Google Classroom experience.